so far good. I mean, we had only shakedown with tricky weather conditions, winter conditions we can call them. So it wasn't easy to discover the car, but the conditions went a bit better towards the evening, and it's interesting. Obviously, it's going to be a tough day, challenging stages, difficult conditions, and we don't know yet how the weather is going to be. So it will be a bit of a surprise tomorrow morning when we wake up. But it's going to be fun, and that's the target. Yeah, it's feeling great, to be honest, and we are getting more and more in the rhythm. Obviously, still discovering this car, but now the last couple of stages I really start to enjoy, and the setup improved as well, so that's going to be interesting for the second loop.